Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide where we teach guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to uninstall Dropbox on PC. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. So if you have downloaded Dropbox on your PC and you want to remove it, you have come to the right video. In this video I'll be teaching you a step-by-step process to completely uninstall it from your PC. First of all, click on your Windows button, then this menu will open up. Now click on Settings. Once you open up Settings page, on the left hand side you will see Apps, click on it. Then click on Installed Apps. After that, on the search bar type in Dropbox. Once you type it in, this app will show up. On the right hand side, click on this three dot icon, then click on Uninstall. Once again, click on Uninstall, then this pop-up will appear. On this pop-up, click on Uninstall. Then the uninstallation process will start. Wait for the process to be completed. Once the process is complete, it will say Dropbox uninstalled. Now you can click on this close button and the app will be uninstalled from your PC. So this is how you do it. It is this simple and easy. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.